Advanced scapular clock exercises can also be utilized in a 4-point position, whereby the hands are placed under the shoulder, the knees under the hips. With an elongated neck, chin tucking, we can work on scapular protraction, retraction, elevation, and depression. These can be paired, protraction with retraction, depression with elevation. And in this position, we are going to go protraction, retraction. This can be made more difficult going a single arm. With one arm on the small of your back, you can focus on the opposite shoulder. Working through these exact same things, working on scapulothoracic control with the chin tucked, elongated neck, going down into retraction, protraction, retraction, protraction. Elevation, depression.